What's up, guys? Mike Kilroy 556. So today I kind of wanted to show you something I've been working on. I've got an Arduino Uno. As you can see, I have it hooked up to pin 13 in the ground, and I have it directly hooked up to this solid state relay. And I got it plugged into my laptop here. So I guess I'll show you what it does first. So I come over here to my computer, and I've programmed it so I go into the serial monitor and type in 1 and hit enter, and as you can see, it turns my light on. It also turns pin 13, the LED on pin 13 on. Actually, right now I have it so it turns that outlet on too. But so yeah, and then to turn it off, just come over here and hit 0, and then enter, and it turns off. So I guess I'll talk about this mess a little bit. So basically what I've done is, this is my main power in, and I just used black as my hot and red as my neutral. This is my safety switch right here, so that will kill power to the rest of the board. Okay, so you can see, I guess I'll turn the light on so I can actually see. Come here, the serial monitor. Alright. So, that wasn't really much better, was it? A little bit. Okay, so the red wire right here is, let's see, attached to the power wire, right? Same terminal. Okay, it comes down here in this switch, this single pole switch, goes through, and that's what powers the rest of the board here, right there. Okay. So this is just my safety switch. See, it kills power to everything. All right. Then what I've done is I took power and went to one side of my relay, and then from there, excuse me, I went to my light. Now, what I also did is, let's see, okay, I have one coming up and going to this outlet too, so it will power this outlet when I turn it on as well. I'm going to be using that for a different project. I'll show you when that's done. And what I've also done, came up here and I tapped off on this wire that gives power to the relay. I went to this one side of this single pole switch and basically jumped out the relay. So if it's off, I come up here, 0, enter. Alright, so it's off. I can come over here and flick that switch and it'll override the relay. Just jump it out. So the light will still turn on. Over here. 1. Okay. Now, what I want to do is I have this receiver right here, and what I want to do is, instead of turning that light on, I will turn this on through the Arduino, I'll turn this relay on, which will turn this outlet on. And that outlet will power this receiver. So I'll have my music from my laptop. And so when I turn that on, it'll turn this receiver on. It'll automatically go to what I need it to. And then that way all I have to do is, I can come in here, oops, turn it on and off, right, and then I can play my music right from here. And what I also want to do is, let's see, this wire right here, I'm going to get another one of these solid state relays, and this wire is hooked up back in the back of the, well, it's not hooked up right now, but this just gets hooked up to the back receiver like you would a speaker. And that'll come and go into another one of these solid state relays right here. Same one. And it will come out to another outlet. And when I play the music from the laptop, it will turn that outlet on and off. Basically what I want to do is I want to control Christmas lights on my Christmas tree to dance to music, and basically what I'm going to be able to do is control it 100% from the computer. So I can turn the receiver on basically from my computer, play the music from the computer, and the lights will dance on the Christmas tree through that.